Good morning, children. In today's class of our EVS, we're going to start with the revision for your summative assessment 2. You've already got your timetables and the portion for the subject, right? So we are going to have examinations in the first week of January. That is from 3rd of January. Okay. So for that, we are going to do revision for our EVS class. We have portion from blocks 11 to 16. 11th block is living and non-living things. 12th one is animal world. 13th block is homes of animals. 14th is chirpy birds. 15th is all about insects. And 16th block is plants around me. So these blocks will be seeing different topics, how they're going to come in your examination. Before that, for your you've already written formative assessment 2. So from that examination, we'll be taking 25 marks. For summative examinations, it will be for 75 marks. So total marks will be 100 marks. Summative assessment, you will be attending it for 75 marks. Okay, so this is for blocks 11 to 16. So how the paper is going to be? It is going to be subjective and objective. Subjective, you will be writing question and answers and the glossary. Glossary is taken from blocks 11 to 16, which you have already written in your notebook. But still, if you still have any doubts or you have not written clearly or neatly in your notebook, end of the block you have glossary given in your content book. So glossary, you will be getting it for 6 marks. Glossary is nothing but the meaning of a given word which is related to the block, right? So question and answer short is for 10 marks. You need to write 5 questions. There we'll be giving you questions from the content book. It may be from the content book or the question and answers given at the back of the content book for the each block. So if we take in block 11, living and non-living, I may ask you about mention 2 living things, 2 non-living things, right? Or I'll be giving you the pictures and ask you to write whether they are living or non-living. So it is short questions, and the long question will be from your content book what we have done in the notebook. So this is your subjective, right? You will be having glossary, you'll be having question and answers short, where you need to write 5 question and answers. Question and answers long, where you need to write 3 question and answers. Children, write neatly. There should not be no capital letters in between the question and answers. Give your font properly. All the letters should be in the same pattern, not one big and one small. Okay? Your handwriting also have a 1 mark. Okay? So this is your subjective part. Coming to your next one is objective part. You'll be filling right, true, or false. I'm mentioning it here right, true, or false. You will not write T or F. You will mention it as true or you will mention it as false. Okay? Label the parts. I may give you insect, a plant, or an animal, or both. Okay, so you will be learning the parts of the insect, a plant, and an animal. Complete the chart about living thing or non-living things, or about insects or about plants. Okay, then the next one will be match the following, then homes of animals, and the next one will be fill in the blanks. So this is how your paper will be, children. Check each block. Mainly go with your content book. Like if you take block 11, write true or false. You have it in the practice questions. You will get it from the practice questions and also from your block. And objective can be changed. Here, if I given the label the parts insect, plant, or animal for 10 marks, I can break it and give it as circle the odd one out also. Okay, so block 12, if you take it, cow is useful animal or my favorite animal. I can give you based on that also. And if you see block 13, homes of animals, I've already given here, and about land and water animals also. Okay. Then if you see block 14, sort the following animals as land and water animals. I can give you that also. If you take block 14, names of common birds, make a list of 5 birds that you can see in your neighborhood. And if you're coming to all about insects, we'll be seeing homes of insects. Read the lines below and guess the name of the insects, like a riddle, right? Then plants around me, the block 16. I can give you the fill in the blanks, write true or false, or unscramble the jumbled words. Okay, so this will be your objective part from blocks 11 to 16. So learn your glossary, question and answers, and your objective part. And I hope you all will do your exams properly. Please use a sharp and pointed pencil to write your question and answers so that your writing will be neat. If you start from now, for coming classes, it will be easy for you to do your work, right? And when you're doing matching, a single line, children, not many, do not erase it. If you do it, I'm going to cut marks for that, right? And when you're labeling the parts of the anything given for you like insect, plant, or animal, one single arrow and you're going to write it. No scribbling. Do not use eraser. If it is very bad that you have written, you can use it, but don't make it a habit of using an eraser, right? And a very big all the best for you for your exams. Do it properly. There's nothing to worry about it. You've already studied, you've already done your revision part also. So do it properly, neatly. Do not trouble your parents when you're writing your exams. Turn the page properly. There should not be spilling of water or any food on the paper. Sit in one place, have your own desk and your chair, exam pad, your box, stationery box that is with your pencils, eraser and sharpener, a ruler also. Okay? So do it nicely and submit it on time. And after that, you have a nice vacation, right? You get long holidays for about 10 days. So you can enjoy your holidays and come back with a fresh start. That's going to be your final exams. Okay, children, all the best. Do it nicely. Bye bye.